On the eve of the ACT budget, the government has revealed the Territory is heading deeper into the red, much deeper. The forecast deficit for next financial year has blown out to more than $300 million. The government's blaming one-off events such as changes to Commonwealth funding and says there will be a return to surplus by 2015. And it's announced that health will be a major winner tomorrow. Anna Morisot reports.
Times might be tough, but the government won't be scrimping when it comes to the health system.
It is good news for health, this budget. It does have a big appetite in terms of the share it takes, but I think there is no sort of more important area of government than getting your health system right.
The struggling emergency departments are getting a $12.5 million boost over 4 years to help them meet the ambitious new 4-hour waiting time targets. All up, the government is pouring $110 million into health over the next 4 years. That'll fund an extra 150 nurses, doctors and allied health workers next financial year. 40 new beds will be created, as well as 15 extra places for the hospital in the home service. And the intensive care unit will be boosted with 4 new beds. Surgery too is getting more money, as is the new Women's and Children's Hospital, which opens later this year.
Without a doubt, the increase in demand for health services is growing and will continue to grow, and it's really good that the government's recognised that they need to meet that demand with the increased funding.
11 years we have seen the health system going backwards every year. Every year under Katie Gallagher as Health Minister, it's gotten worse. And until those cultural issues are addressed, we won't see improvement.
We recognise you have to meet demand, but I think as our health budget continues to grow over the years, we do have to start refocusing, putting more into preventative.
Health will be one of the few winners in tomorrow's budget as the government tries to claw its way out of a deficit, which will now exceed $300 million. That's more than 12 times what was forecast a year ago. But the government says there's no need to panic and it's still on track to be in the black in several years. Anna Morisot, ABC News, Canberra.